Very good morning. Myself Dr. Usha Vyas. Today my topic is a minor character Rodrigo of Othello, written by Shakespeare. Rodrigo is a young Venetian gentleman who aspires to marry Desdemona. His love for Desdemona almost verges on infatuation. He is quite rich and young, but his suit is rejected by Desdemona as well as by her father, but he continues to persist her in his suit. He is willing to do anything in order to attain her, and she is so very unattainable, makes him much more pathetic. In sheer frustration, he hands himself over to Iago, for he knows that he himself has not the genius nor the scheming to win Desdemona. Iago knows Rodrigo's weakness and fully exploits him. He fleeces Rodrigo of his money and jewels on pretext that will present them to Desdemona. Thus, the witness fool falls into Iago's cunning machinations and meets his doom at the hands of the one in whom he stupidly reposes his trust. When he learns of Desdemona's elopement and her marriage to Othello, he complains to Iago and almost accuses him of having used his money without bringing him even a bit closer to Desdemona. He knows that Desdemona is now unattainable, but Iago still persuades him to rouse Desdemona's father and to make him after Othello. But after Barbentio's complaint is dismissed and Othello is cleared of the charge of using magic etc. to win Desdemona, the foolish man thinks of drowning himself. Infatuation seems to have crossed all limits. Iago, though in a fix, tries to handle the situation with cunning. He frankly tells him that though he cannot get Desdemona for a wife, yet he will be able to taste her body, keep her as his mistress by cuckolding Othello. The reasons Iago gives of Desdemona's gross error and for her dislike of Othello convince Rodrigo, and he agrees to Iago's plan. Iago tells him to put money in his purse and follow them to Cyprus. Assured of tasting the fruit, Rodrigo agrees to do so. At Cyprus, Rodrigo finds himself a fool wasting his time, for he sees nothing being done by Iago. However, Iago convinces him that such things don't happen by witchcraft and take time. Therefore, Rodrigo must be patient. It is there that Iago informs Rodrigo that Cassio and Desdemona are in love, and so long as Cassio is in his way, Rodrigo cannot get Desdemona. Iago instigates Rodrigo against Cassio and spurs his native cowardice. Iago convinces him that removal of Cassio is first step to win Desdemona. Rodrigo is so stupid that he at once agrees to Iago's plan of provoking and picking up a quarrel with Cassio. This plan brings all about the dismissal of Cassio, but Rodrigo is in nowhere near Desdemona. He feels that he is being used as a tool by Iago to serve his purpose, and that there is no chance of his getting Desdemona. Iago, however, gives him a long lecture on patience and advises him to wait for his next move. However, Rodrigo's patience and money are soon exhausted. He realizes that he is being duped by Iago, means fooled by Iago. He meets Iago and uses every stupid word. He tells him that he is going to meet Desdemona, seek her forgiveness for his unlawful solicitations, and request her to return his jewels and money. If she does not, he warns Iago that he would call him to account. But Iago easily handles this delicate situation. Once again, Rodrigo falls into yet another trap. Iago advises him to waylay Cassio and thereby delay Othello's departure from Cyprus. Rodrigo attacks Cassio while the latter is returning from supper with Bianca. In the skirmish that follows, Cassio's leg is wounded by Rodrigo, but by Iago, who knows that Cassio was wearing a coat. When other men reach the ship with torches, Iago runs about pretending to find the assailant of Cassio and stabs Rodrigo to death. In fact, Rodrigo's own stupidity that brings about this tragic end. Rodrigo is a thorough gentleman. When he rouses Brabantio, he uses vulgar words and speaks to Brabantio in a respectful manner. At the harbour in Cyprus, when Desdemona offers his hand to be kissed by Cassio, he knows that it is an act of mere courtesy. and tries to contradict Iago, who calls it lechery or as a prologue to lust. And so Rodrigo bears with Iago for pretty long time. But when his patience bursts, Rodrigo decides to bring Iago to account and seek forgiveness of Desdemona, where we find him indulging in loose manner or vulgar talk. And the truth about Iago dawns on him. He writes 2 letters and puts them in his pocket, sensing another mischief. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.